date beta 23/10/2020, subject social studies, grade 5. Children, I have completed our reader children. First we have completed our reader lesson. I have explained you beta. No, full lesson I have explained you. Today on 23/10/2020 we'll do our workbook S1 and S2 together. Freedom for all. Motiful India, page number 11. Freedom for all, page number 10. Page number 10 and 11 we will do now, children. Okay, take out your workbook now. Okay, children. Children, see, write today's date. S1. See, children, block 10. Okay, in block 10 what we are doing? We are doing page number 10, S1. Write today's date 23/10/2020. Freedom for all. Keep your fingers where I am reading. Read the story and answer the question. The people of Jhala are very unhappy with the king, Jhala. He has forced all the men and women to work in the gold mines because he wanted to build his statue in gold. Children, king of who? Jhala's king it seems. He forced all the men and women in the village to do work in gold mine it seems. Why? He want to build his own statue in gold it seems. These men and women do not get any money to work in the mines. If they refuse to work, they are beaten up by the king's men and put in the prison. If people will tell that we don't want to work in the gold mine, the king's soldiers, people used to beat them and punish them and keep them in the jail it seems, children. See how they are troubling, no? Next, what do you mean by this? They don't have any freedom. In the first paragraph. Second paragraph, all school and colleges have been shut down as the king feels that if the people become educated, they may not obey his rules. The farmers are not happy either. They are forced to give away most of their crops to the king without getting any money. As a result, they are very poor and have very little to eat. The people cannot even complain because if they complain, they are punished. So what do you understand by this paragraph, children? Second paragraph, they can't go and complain to anyone. Who is there? Who is forcing them? Who is bad here? King is only bad here, no? So they are scared of the king. For whom they are going to give complaint? For the king only. But here king is only not good. So if they will give complaint, they are again beaten and kept in the prison. And they will give punishment. And what he is doing? Not only forcing people to work in the gold mine and is taking there. And is forcing the people to give the crops. And is not, what crops they will grow? Food. He is forcing them to give that food, children. And they don't have any food to eat, no money. So they have freedom, children. Do they have freedom here? No, they don't have any freedom here. So let us write this table now. Write 2 or 3 difference between the life of people in Jhala and the life of people in India today. How they are people in Jhala and how people in India today are. We are today free. We have today free country. India is a free country. So what you will do? You should write about this and this here. Write about the people in Jhala and write about today's India here. So how you will write, children? Men and women do not have money to work in the gold mines. You should read and write here, beta. But I'll write and show you the first 2 points. So children, see, you can write like this. Men and women do not have money to work in the mines. Men and women will get enough money for their work. Second point, the people in Jhala were unhappy. The people are happy. Third point, you can write people were educated. People are educated. People are uneducated. You can write like this and complete this one. Now second one, what does freedom means to you? Now what do you think is a freedom? You should write like this. Freedom is the ability to do work or think, express and see, children, you can write like this. Freedom is the ability to do work, think or express anything without harming others. And anything without any fear of others. Next one. Which type of freedom are important for people? To move freely from one place to another, to do any work wherever easy work to do. This you should write better. This at least you write 2 points, children. I have written everything. What type of freedom is important? You write here to move freely from one place to another. You can write like this. Any another point you write better. Okay, understood beta? Okay beta, thank you. Now we'll do our S2 children. Don't keep your books now. We'll do our S2 children. Write today's date here 23. Now my dear children, you write today's date here 23/10/2020. 23/10/2020. Tick the names of things that attracted Europeans to come to India. What attracted them, children? Spices, silk, precious stones and cotton attracted them, children. Write a paragraph on the event which helped the British to establish themselves as rulers in India. Children, now take out your reader, children, and tick in your reader now. Page number I am going to tell you now. Take out your reader. See children, take out your reader. Page number 64. Page number 64. Children, in your reader, this paragraph is there. The British set up the East India Company. Okay, this paragraph till from here to here. Indian after the Battle of Boxer in 1764. This you should write in your workbook beta here. This you should write in your workbook here beta, full paragraph. Okay, you write here page number 64 you should write here. Full you should write here. From here to here you should write. Next one. What could have stopped the British from establishing the rule in India? What stopped the British to rule? Their establishment? See, a strong king from the whole country would have prevented the British rule. What is asking, children? What could have stopped the British from establishing their rule in India? Who stopped? What have stopped the British to rule their establishment, children, here? So you should write like this. So children, whom do you think have stopped this British people, children? Who have stopped these British people to establish their rule, children? We people. Who? Freedom fighters. No, you think and write this answer with your own beta. Only one answer. This is in page number 64 in your reader. This we have did ticking. We have did our S1 children. S1 and S2 same date you should write and write. And write this one answer with your own beta. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.